Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, ooh, happy birthday, ooh, this best gift ever had is all for you.
Happy birthday, Tia Noting. Enjoy your day. Ingat permi doon sa work sa Singapore. And God bless you always.
Hi, Tito! Happy birthday, Tito Vincent. I wish you all the best in life. Sana umuli ka na din ulit sa Manila para makapag-banding kita ulit na nakakamiss kaya minsan ang libre mo. Take care. Enjoy your day!
Birthday, Tito Vincent. We wish you a good health always. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, boss!
Happy birthday, Noting. God bless you more.
Ako, wishing ko din eh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hello po. Birthday greetings po sa aking mahal na pinsan, si Vincent Fuentes na nasa Singapore, Noting. Siya ay si Noting, popular sa amin. Wishing you all the best of health and long life. Vincent, kailan ba yung long table natin? Still waiting na ako ha. Sana naman wag mo akong kalimutan. Isa sa iyong flower girl someday. But joke lang. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mahabang kaarawang selebrasyon at always good health and stay safe dyan. Sana makita din tayo pag ikay napunta din kay na Paul, no? Anyway, wala na akong ibang sasabihin pa kundi happy birthday ulit sa aking pinsan, Noting. Wala na ang ibang masasabi kundi yun lang kasi mahirap na drama, okay? Happy birthday from Fuchera with Love, Manayrina and family. Bye! Hello, Noting. Kumusta ka na dyan sa Singapore? Sana sa birthday mo makatagpo ka na ng the one. Para may pamangkin na ulit ako sa pinsan. Okay? Matanda na tayo. Magka-batch tayong dalawa. Diba? Anyways, ang dasal ko palagi sa'yo na good health ka always. Lalo pat wala ka sa Pilipinas, medyo malayo ka sa amin, sa pamilya mo. Sana palagi kang pagpalain ni Lord sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo at sa pamumuhay mo. Mag-iingat ka palagi at aalagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Kasi malayo nga kami sa iyo. Okay? Tatandaan mo yan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday ulit, Noting. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Vincent. More birthdays to come. Stay in good health. And sana makapag-asawa ka na. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Vincent. Good health. Sana asawa na. God bless. Yan lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito Vincent. Happy birthday. I wish you to have good health and for you to have more blessings in life. I hope that I will get to see you again soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to tomorrow. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tito Bro. Happy birthday, Vincent. We wish you good health. We wish you na palagi kang malakas,
and may peace of mind, masaya sa iyong work, and palagi kang safe sa Singapore. Palagi mo lang iisipin na you have a family here in Dubai, kasama ng mga nagmamahal at nagmamalasakit sa iyo from the Philippines. Kasama ni Boro, ni Paul, syempre, ay asahan mo na meron kang family in us. Yun ay today and hanggang sa pagtanda. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boro. Always enjoy life. Maging single man or married. Always dapat happy. And then, continue investing for the future. But at the same time, hindi ka lang dapat nag-isip sa future. Dapat na-enjoy mo din ang present. Kasi mawawalan sa yung investment in the future kung hindi na-enjoy yung present. Stay healthy. And, well, also pray. Don't forget to pray. We love you much.
Happy birthday, Bro! We love you!
We love you so much.